Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Welcome to English class. Dear students, now come to book page number 40. Today we will identify a sound with pictures. Dear students, do you know what the sound of U? A. A umpire. What's this? A umpire. A untidy. Untidy means गंदगी. जब आप लोग अपने रूम या कहीं बाहर रेपर नीचे फेंकते हैं तो क्या होता है, वो जगह अनटाइडी हो जाती है. व्हाट्स दिस? अंडर. अंडर मीन्स नीचे. स्टूडेंट्स, लुक एट द पिक्चर. डॉग इज द अंडर ऑफ टेबल. अंडर मीन्स नीचे. अ अम्ब्रेला. अ अम्ब्रेला. अ अनहैप्पी. अनहैप्पी मीन्स sad. A unhappy. A unlock. A up. A up. Up means ऊपर. A uncle. A uncle. Dear students, firstly we feel a sound with formation. Go down. Turn a little. Go up. Come down. Now we trace a sound on dots with formation. We start from here. Go up, go down. Turn a little. Go up. Come down. What's this? A. Dear students, now come to book page number 41. We trace a sound between two blue lines with formation. Go down, turn a little, go up, come down. Now we write a sound between two blue lines with formation. Go down, turn a little, go up, come down. Now student, it's your homework. Complete book page number 40 and 41. Allah Hafiz.